In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear the Steam download cache quickly and safely if your Steam downloads are stuck, moving extremely slowly, or refusing to start at all. Clearing the download cache can often fix the issue in just a few seconds. A lot of Steam users don't even realize this option exists, but it's one of the easiest troubleshooting steps you can try before reinstalling games or restarting your internet. I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can fix download problems fast, and if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software and PC tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Steam application on your computer. Make sure you are fully logged into your account and that the Steam window is visible on your screen. Once Steam is open, look at the very top left corner of the application. You'll see a menu labeled Steam. Go ahead and click on Steam, and a small drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, click on Settings. This will open the main Steam settings panel where you can control various options related to your account, downloads, interface, and storage. Inside the settings window, look at the menu on the left side and click on Downloads. This section contains all the settings related to Steam downloads, including download regions, bandwidth limits, and cache controls. Now look for the button that says Clear Download Cache. Once you find it, click on Clear Download Cache. Steam will immediately show a confirmation message letting you know that clearing the cache will restart Steam and require you to log in again. Go ahead and click Confirm. Steam will close automatically and clear the stored download cache files. After a few seconds, Steam will restart. When it opens again, simply log back into your Steam account using your username and password. Once you're logged in, your download cache will be cleared, which often resolves issues like downloads getting stuck, slow update speeds, or games refusing to install. And that's it. That's how you clear the Steam download cache in just a few clicks. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.